Dear teachers, thank you for supporting and illuminating our paths towards success. You are the ones who held our hand and opened our minds towards the beauty of education and knowledge. You made us believe in ourselves. Your teachings will forever be etched in our hearts. Thank you for making us who we are today. Happy Teachers' Day.
The one who guide us through their experience, the one who make us love not only the books but the essence of our life. Here's to their day. Happy Teachers Day.
They inspire us, they teach us, they help us and they support us. To the world, they are the teachers, but to us, they are the heroes. And today, I want to thank all such heroes of my life for always being there, for being a proper mentor, for always guiding me for my better future and for my success. And I want to wish all of them a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
The catalyst to my reaction on this Teachers' Day, I'd like to thank each and every teacher of Lawrence and Mayo for being so supportive, so encouraging, and pushing me beyond my own limits to discover myself as a person, as an aspirant, and most importantly, as an individual. Without you guys, I wouldn't have become what I have now, and I wouldn't be what I'm going to be. You'll always hold a special place in my heart. I love you all. Happy Teachers' Day.
For every child who says, I'm not smart enough, I didn't get this, I can't do this, there is a teacher who says, you can. For every child who needs some basic skills, knowledge, and someone to believe in him, there is a teacher who will always do whatever it takes to encourage him, inspire him, and motivate him. As I look back at my life, you have been always an inspiration for me. Thank you, teachers, for inspiring me. Thank you, teachers, for bringing out the best in me. Happy Teachers' Day.
This is dedicated to every teacher, even from a distance. You are the heart of every school. You are the soul of every classroom. Whenever you start teaching, it is a time to rejoice. Your every contribution is immeasurable. You improve our world, you improve our lives. Thank you for everything you have done for us.
Hey there, I'm Satvik Ulstrace. I just want to say that you gave us a new world. You gave us new hopes. You taught us how to be a good human being. You taught us the art of living. Back at the school days, you used to welcome us with a bright smile that would made our days. At last, to all the teachers out there, we love you and a very happy Teachers' Day. We owe you much more than anything.
The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that brings us the strength to survive is our teachers. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. A day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that future is bright for each one of us. Apart from academics, they stand by us at every step to motivate, inspire, and guide us to become a better person every day. I would like to extend my gratitude to all the teachers of Lawrence and Mayo family for their selfless service and dynamic support. A standing ovation to all the teachers out there. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day.
Dear teachers, thank you for being my mentor and for guiding me towards the right path of my life. Your inspiring words made a difference in my life. Thank you for making me what I am today. I gave you a harder time, but you put up with me, that matters. Without you, I don't know where I would be. Your belief in me make me believe in myself. Thank you for your patience, kindness, and endless dedications. Happy Teachers' Day.
Kids gave us life, and it was you who taught us how to live it. You introduced honesty, integrity, and passion to our character.
As our parents are also teachers, and we see their struggle between their daily life and their profession, especially during this lockdown.
Being one is the highest privilege, but having one is a great blessing.
एनुअल फंक्शन में अपनी पूरी जी जान लगाकर मेहनत करना और एक इतना सक्सेसफुल इवेंट बनाना हर साल की तरह. This is all because of you. You all are the pillars of Lawrence and Mayo.
Thank you for being our safe zone. Someone who always tries to be our friend first and a teacher later.
A bond between Laurenite and our teachers is cemented with care, love, and devotion. I still remember a girl of 7 hesitatingly entered Lawrence and Mayo, and then a warm hand upon her, showering blessing and a caring touch to guide her always.
We pray God to bless you with a great future.
रास्ता मंजिल का दिखाने वाला एक वो खूबसूरत सफर था। कोई और नाम मत देना उसे, वो दूसरा मेरा घर था।
Happy Teachers Day to all the gurus.
I want to say that teachers play a very crucial role in our lives. They are like roads who remain static but make its pupil reach their destinations. I believe that except our parents, they are the only person who feel happy and succeeded in our success. They educate, inspire, teach, care, love and believe in us. For me, my teachers are like angels of my life. So a very happy Teachers Day to all my angels and thank you for being what you are.
Hello everyone, I'm Ananya Singh. Teachers have been one of the biggest part of our journeys in school. They are knowledgeable, understanding and kind but strict. Honestly though, what would we do without the don't roam in the halls or the is there a spring on your seat? Sit down. Or my personal favorite really, lunch लाना तो नहीं भूले, book लाना कैसे भूल रहे? Whatever the words may be, the message is the same, of wisdom and discipline. I thank all the teachers for not only helping us become a smarter person, but also a better human being.
They guide us, they support us, they inspire us, they teach us. A very happy Teachers Day to all the talented, enthusiastic, amazing, caring, happy, encouraging and rocking teachers. Happy Teachers Day.
It's a saying that what a teacher writes on the blackboard of life can never be erased. And yes, it's true. You actually give us the wings to fly high towards our brighter future. Thank you for understanding and having faith in us. We are very grateful for all your efforts. You helped us to shape our future and make us a better person.
Hi, dear teachers, thank you for bringing out the best version of ourselves. You are always an amazing guide. Here I am wishing you a very happy and prosperous Teachers Day. Much respect.
Teachers are God gift to students. Students are God gift to teachers. Teachers and students are God gift to mankind and civilization. Our teachers are not just educators, as they hold a noble profession. They play many roles in a student's life. A role of a mentor, a counselor, a friend, and also as a parent. Today, we, the students of Lawrence and Mayo, thanks all the teachers for all that you have done for us. You have showered so much love on us and we could not ask for more.
The way you care, the knowledge you share, the love that you shower is of immense power. You work hard with great optimism. My dear teacher, you are awesome. Wishing all my gurus and educators a very happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day to all the wonderful and amazing teachers. Thank you very much for inspiring us and supporting us. Dear teacher, we may not say this every day, but your inspirational words are like a beautiful footprints that have etched in our heart and mind forever. And once again, Happy Teachers Day.
A bunch of thanks to all the teachers for putting in huge efforts to make our studies effortless.
Teachers for me is somebody who teaches about life. They give all kinds of lessons, including some lessons about Sangati. They taught me how to add and how to introduce myself using I am Sehet Singh, not myself Sehet Singh, to values of sign, cause, stand, and stories of your experience. Thanks to all the teachers for making our school our second home and showering us with motherly love.
I found guidance, discipline, love, friendship in one person. The person is you, my teacher. Happy Teachers Day to all.
Hey, I'm Akshat Kushresht and I'd like to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day. Teachers are providing the knowledge to a lot of students and making the future of India clearer. In this global crisis, it's inspiring for us as students to watch our teachers go out of their comfort zone to continue providing us their noble services. I heartily thank each one of my teachers for the lessons they've taught me, which will be with me for life.